guys, in today's video I will be showing how to get into the Atlantis. First, you will need the advanced life gear. To get this at the destination in between the Sunstone Island and Statue of Sovereignty at this red thing, you know what it's called. But it's in here, it costs 15k credits. So first you buy this, then you go to the Grand Reef. I arrived at the Grand Reef. You have to equip your advanced diving gear and you go down the Atlantic. And you go fully down and find what? It's like temple. I will use super slippers. You will need TNT to break open this basic TNT. So, put this, go inside, and you go down, and you come in this part. Then you go walk a little bit, and then you will see the heart of shoes laying right here. You grab the heart of shoes, back up, go down, and go. Okay, after you claim the heart of shoes, you have to hold it in your hand and stand on this hole. Then you press your button, and then you will be teleported to the Atlantis. That was it for today's video. I hope it helped. I will see you in the next video.